Hey everybody, Ralph here, and I just want to take a minute to say thank you. Thank you for trusting us with your bookkeeping, your payroll, and your tax work this past year. We don't take it lightly. And as we head into the new year, I'm praying and believing 2026 is going to be a prosperous, steady, and successful year for you and your business. All right, let's talk about a quick year-end newsletter updates, a few important action items, a few deadlines, and a few reminders to make tax season smoother for everybody. First up, 1099s. In general, if your business paid $600 or more in 2025 to a non-employee for services such as contractors, freelancers, or independent contractors, they may require a 1099 form at NEC. Here's a few common notes though. Most payments to corporations are exempt, but there are certain important exceptions, and if you paid someone through a credit card processor or certain online payment platforms, you usually don't issue the 1099 from your business. The platform may handle reporting. But if you're not sure, don't guess. Just send us your vendor list and we'll help you sort it out. Here's what we're going to need from you to file. We're going to need the vendor contractor legal name. We're going to need their mailing address and their tax ID. That can either be an EIN or an SSN. And we're going to need their tax classification. The best place to get that is have them complete a W-9 form. And we also need the total amount you paid them in 2025. But here's an important deadline. To file on time, we need your 1099 info no later than January 15th of 2026. And hey, if you get it to us early, we love you extra. Let's talk about Delaware business licenses. The state of Delaware does not send a renewal reminder. So it's on the business owner to make sure the license stays active. And if you're unsure, you can check your license status using Delaware's official business license search tool. Let's talk about tax season deadlines. A lot of people have got this confused the last several years. Business returns for most partnerships and S-Corps are due on March 15th, not April 15th, whereas personal returns are still due on April 15th, 2026. Now, you can file an extension if you need it, but here's the key. An extension gives you more time to file paperwork, not more time to magically avoid tax. And this year especially, I want to strongly encourage you to schedule your tax meeting early. We are expecting an increase in demand because of major tax changes. And the earlier we meet, the more options we have, the less stressful it is, and the better we can plan with you. So if you know you're going to need us, please don't wait until the last minute. Let me give you a quick hours update for tax season. We're going to be open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5, with extended hours on Thursday evenings and select Saturdays during peak season. If you need an evening or Saturday slot, schedule early because those fill up fast. Let's talk about our payroll update. For payroll clients, here's an important update. Our payroll conversion is underway, and we're going to be processing all 2026 payroll through the new platform. We also hosted a webinar walking through the changes and what to expect, and I want to include that replay link here in the notes. Let's talk about tax prep. For the upcoming season, we're again be using Intuit Link as a secure document and organizer system. Here's what to expect. You'll get an email invite from Intuit Link where you log in with your Intuit account. If you don't have one, you're going to create one. And then you'll see a checklist where you can upload your documents securely. And the big win is this. Intuit Link helps keep everything in one place. It makes it clean, trackable, and secure, and it reduces that last-minute scrambling. Here's what we typically need for your tax prep. We're going to need your W-2s, your 1099s, and any K-1s you got. We're going to need income summaries for your business. We're going to need your expense totals. Now, if you're using QuickBooks with us, we've already got it. We need to know about any major life changes. Maybe you had a new baby. Maybe you've gone through a marriage or divorce. Maybe you've moved, started a new business, or sold assets. Any of those things, and any big financial events, such as a home sale or a purchase, large retirement moves, and significant medical expenses, and so on. Now, here's another note for our payroll clients. Quick clarification on W-2 forms. Your 2025 W-2 forms will be available in the old payroll platform and in Smart Vault. So if you're looking in the new system for 2025 W-2 and don't see it, that's why. Last thing, I want to make sure you hear this. We're not just here for tax returns and payroll processing. If 2026 is a year where you want to strengthen your finances, we also offer things like financial counseling, business coaching and advisory, QuickBooks online setup, cleanup and training, cash flow planning, pricing support, and profit improvement help, and other financial guidance tailored to where you are right now. So if you want to go into 2026 with more clarity and control, reach out. Even a short conversation can save you months of stress. Again, I just want to thank you for your trust this year. We're grateful for you, and we're honored to serve you. Wishing you and your family a happy, healthy, and prosperous new year, and we'll see you in 2026. Take care. This is Ralph, and we'll talk soon.